How to find your stake referral code. Step-by-step guide. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is follow the link to the stake.us website and then click on the blue register button and simply just enter your email address, create a unique username and password. Then select your state. It's not available in Washington, Vermont, New York, Nevada, Michigan, Kentucky, and Idaho. But you can enter your date of birth and then proceed. And the legal age is to play at stake is 21 plus age years old. And you can click the arrow mark code optional and then proceed to enter the referral code Deadspin into the text box. And then you're gonna click continue and read and accept the terms and conditions. And then for account verification, you can follow these steps. Click the verify account button, scan the QR code with your phone camera. Alternatively, you can enter your phone number to receive an SMS link, then allow Verif to activate your camera, take a photo of your ID and proof of address, take a selfie, upload the document pictures, and wait to be verified. And that's basically how you can find your Stake referral code. And now once you find your Stake referral code, you can also get referral rewards on the Stake website itself. So it's very, very simple. That's how you can get your Stake referral code.